So I've seen loads of complaints online about people saying that they have been defrauded or have been sent fake crypto, fake Bitcoin mostly. And in this video, I want to show you guys how scammers do send fake cryptocurrency and how to avoid this. Remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. It's for educational purposes only. Basically, it's for educational purposes only. Put that at the back of your mind. There's a way that scammers do send crypto to people on the internet. Basically, sometimes you want to do a transaction with someone, then the person asks your crypto for your BTC wallet, the person to send you like a flash crypto. Basically, you're going to receive the email, and the email is going to come in a format like it's like the legit email. But today I will show you how to factor out if this is a fake email and how to avoid getting scammed. So if you're new here, I make it easy to follow tutorials, so I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and also drop a comment in the comment section below if you find this video useful. At the end of the day, put this in the back of your mind. This video is for educational purposes only. Basically for educational purposes, okay? So without wasting much time, just get down to business. Now, first of all, come to this website. This very website. Either sign in or you sign up. Then you have generate transaction and we have flash billing. Just click on generate transaction. You can look at all of the crypto platforms here. You have to be very careful when someone sends you this stuff. So this is how it looks. So let me show you how the email looks like when they send you an email. So this is how it looks like. This email from Bybit, not from Bybit, from like this scammer. As you can see how it looks. Can see carefully. Look at it. They're telling me to accept this transaction. That's how some scammers work. Take note of the email. As you can see, the email is different. Take note of this email very well. This is a way to spot it. Now, this is how a Bybit original email, the one that comes from Bybit, that's how it looks like. You see, this is how a Bybit email looks like. You see the difference. If you found this useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification. Alright, so if you want me to send the direct link to this website, just comment link in the comment section below and I will send the link to the website directly. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes only.